Welcome to another update, ladies and gentlemen. It's Friday the 13th, so let's go and check it out. What introduction! That's his leg started. Luke, that is an introduction. What a moment! Let's go! It's cold, sunny and windy. What a day! It's so cold.
Oh my God, that was...
Right, let's go. Stop falling over, please. So all that demolishment from Loggers Leave, they're using this machine, so it breaks into pieces, and this should be happening again in a minute. So you will see it. It's going to take some time for them to sort that out. It's just going to be turned into like dust sort of. So yes, sad news, Walk Express is no longer going to be used again, and I don't think it's coming back either to anywhere else. So sad. Look at those trains though, beautiful things. That is really sad that it's leaving us. So, as Walk Express is no longer going to be used again, this is the footage from Luke. He sent me this, and this was my last ever ride from 2021 season, is that correct?
Because it was a 20 years affair when I went there, and then he went on the ride when having lunch.
So yeah, this is my last video. I'm going to show you now what my last ever ride was like. And that was my last ever ride. Please enjoy this, and we will continue the journey in a moment once you've seen the video.
Howdy, partners! Welcome to the Rocky Express. Please ensure that all loose belongings are secure. And hold on tight, cause here we go!
Most intense ride experience yet. Oh my God! Ah! Oh my days!
Your ride is now coming to an end, so please remain seated until the train has completely stopped. Roll me over and turn me around. Let me keep spinning till I...
So mainly in this video today, what you're seeing mainly is all the things that were demolished earlier on the week is now into a big pile that I put all the things to the machine that shreds into dust and to big chunks as well. And that will eventually get sorted, but mainly it's just seeing what we can see is best today. And obviously the Loggers Leave update has been confirmed that is sadly not returning. We've just found that! We've just found that! What's that about?
It's just there.
That's a...
bushes all over inside of it.
Oh, clearly yes, look at that. Well, I didn't expect that to be put there.
I'm so thirsty.
You know what, Luke? I'm absolutely feeling the same. Cheers.
Cheers. Drink prime.
Oh, lemon lime.
It's much better, but I don't care.
I'll tell you one thing, I'm getting used to this flavour now. I do like prime. Lemon lime's actually good. It's up there, it's still up there, but I think the blue one's still there. Oh, Luke's actually going to let me try the orange prime.
Lid.
What's it called? Orange prime. Yeah.
It's orange.
There you go. Orange. Orange. Right then.
Cheers.
Here we go. Oh my god, that's actually good.
It is so good.
Still out! Thank you very much! It's mine! So, it looks like those are the remaining trains left. The main steam train for the front of it looks like it's completely gone. Because I haven't seen that. So that's all they got left. So those are the rail tracks. So those over there, as you can see, that's better. Those are going to Hayden Island. I can hear drills, I can hear drills, I can hear drills. You can see how much power they actually used. So all that been used, that's a big pile of it. Yeah, that's filling up so much compared to what we saw earlier. That's all the wood from the demolishment. They still have to go on. Eventually it will be taking it away easier.
Oh god, oh, it's caught up in this bit. Oh. Oh. There's more to come. Oh, no.
At some point, this will be next. This will be the new station. Is going to be platform 15 station. Will be the next thing to demolish. I don't know when that's happening, but very soon though. Hopefully this time next week. Who knows? Also, we've got to sort out that big part over there first. Definitely a lot of wood though, I'll tell you now. That is a lot more wood than I expected to be. But then you expect that for demolishing, but it's quite sensational. It's quite open space now by the looks of it. But that's it. Oh, my glasses! No! And that's another update, ladies and gentlemen. Can't believe what a week it's been. Quite tired from it, to be honest. And yeah, great to see you falling over to end the day, end the week. Thanks for a good day. Cheers. Prime. Oh, we need it. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Cheers.
Oh, thank you so much for making it 1,500 subscribers.
Free, subscribe.
There you go. It's been quite a week. Be sure to subscribe. And that's it. He's sorting his shoes out. So, this time next year, you should see the ride up there from this view. Stealth's over there, but the ride should be up there. This is going to be some clear view. So where's Stealth at the minute? Somewhere around. Oh, there it is. There's Stealth. There you go. The ride should be up there.